Does cardiac arrest and heart attack mean the same thing? In India, we use both the words interchangeably. Like many of us don't even know what is the difference between a cardiac arrest and a heart attack. So let me tell you what is the difference between a cardiac arrest and a heart attack. Before that, if you're interested in more informative videos related to health and lifestyle, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel Naralu. First, let me explain what exactly is a cardiac arrest. Cardiac arrest is a condition where the heart no longer beats. You might have seen in various movies and TV shows where a patient's heart rate and rhythm is shown by this particular machine and suddenly it goes flat when the heart stops beating. That is called a cardiac arrest. Then you might ask me, what the heck is a heart attack, Hari? Explain me that too. Okay guys, I will explain you that also. You see, heart receives its blood supply from the coronary arteries. If these coronary arteries get blocked due to certain reasons, such as atherosclerosis or muscle spasm, then the blood is no longer able to reach the heart. If blood doesn't reach the heart, then the heart muscles won't get oxygen or nutrition and hence they'll die out. That is the reason heart attack is caused. But as heart is supplied by various coronary arteries, not all coronary arteries get blocked at the same time. So only a few heart muscles can die out during a heart attack, not the entire heart. That's why the heart keeps on pumping blood even after a heart attack. But in certain cases, the heart can also stop beating, and that is why it's called a person got a heart attack and went into a cardiac arrest.